Everyone, today I'm going to show you my AI project I built, and it's a Wise enabled browser agent that can control your web browser using just your Wise and natural language commands. So this is production grade application that combines speech recognition with DeepGram API, AI understanding with OpenAI, and browser automation with Playwright, and you can use browser based API keys and real time communication with WebSockets. So I did some papers analysis and agent design documentation on this project because you should keep learning and new things. So, by the recommendation of my professor, I did some papers framework like performance, environment, actuators, and sensors, and compare four different agent architecture for browser automation. So, for in project context, I'm using speech to text, a DeepGram a cloud API, and for browser automation, browser based, and sometimes like Playwright, AI reasoning for OpenAI GPT-5 and computer use agent. So, and I'm also using WebSockets. So by the end of this video, you will see how this agent can work. So before we can see it in action, let me quickly explain the architecture. For the front end, a beautiful web interface where user can interact. Voice processing captures audio and converts speech to text using DeepGram API. And for AI brain, OpenAI GPT understand intents and plan action. And browser automation, like using browser based and Playwright feedback system, provide real time updates to the user. All this communication through WebSocket for real time responses. So let me show you the front end first. So this is the front end for the project, and at the top you can see the connection, the system status. The connection is connected to the server, and for browser, we need to initialize it for, then it's going to open a new tab in your browser. So that's why it's showing current page none, session id none. So in the UI there is a recording button, a very large recording button, so user can give a commands. And then I also created a live browser view where you can this agent going to capture some screenshot to show how this is gonna work. And these are the logs. So let me show you first how it works. So initialize it. See, this gonna open the new tab. Let's give some. So can you search for cosmetic products on Amazon? Okay, so see, it's open the Chrome and then redirect it to the Google. So in future, I'm going to develop it more, and I'm also planning to use just launched OpenAI products. Like, as we know that they recently launched Agent Builder, so I'm going to learn about it and going to implement in my project. So let me show you. So I was having this issue when I was building the project. So it's I'm going to fix it because this is safety concern, and sometimes it's works, sometimes it's not. But I'm improving myself. Like, I'm improving my knowledge for tackle these type of things during Agent Builder. So see, this is still capturing my voice and recording my voice for the prompts for the search engine. So let me show you the codes. Okay, so this is the code for DOM. Summarize, these gonna summarize the whole context, and this gonna summarize the pages and evaluate the page basically for the agent. So if I search it on Google, like what's the weather in New York, so it's gonna submit the search, extract the weather information, and return the result. So all from a single voice command. The code base is totally organized. So I created a SRC where in an agent there are five screen TypeScript architecture, LLM power reasoning, tool based LLM client, tool based executions, like tool based executors, and the main server files are here. So for audio capture, I'm using DeepGram. So this is the async initialized DeepGram API key. I'm using API key from DeepGram. So how the DeepGram API is working? We connect to the DeepGram through the API key, stream audio in real time, receive transcript with confidence score, only process when the high confidence is like final transcript. This event handlers captures transcript both interim and final. So the metadata about the audio is go through the API key from DeepGram, then it's gonna do the work. So literally, like I'm trying to build up, like I was reading about how they develop the operator. So in future, I'm going to learn about these things because in this AI era, you need to learn, you need to improve yourself. So I'm going to learn about how to create something like a OpenAI operator. So in this project, I'm using GPT API key. So GPT is basically it's going to structure the intent, what action to perform, like navigate, click, type, etc. Parameters for the actions, confidence level, risk assessment, and like the user's spoken words, current browser context, and available commands. So the first challenge, like if I share the challenges to building this system, the first challenge is Chrome profile conflict. Browser wouldn't launch because profile was in use. Use temporary profile directories instead of real Chrome profile, and sometimes the audio format mismatch because DeepGram couldn't understand WebM audio from the browser. So for this, I got a solution to convert the raw PCM linear 16 using audio context, and the like sometimes the WebSocket is mismatched. So I updated the front end to match the server port, and so These are the real production issues. Like if you're developing any complex system, you're gonna face that. So I think the best way to learn is by building. Start with small project and gradually increase complexity. Thanks for watching and happy coding.